Hey everybody, this is Fred with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 1972 SS Chevelle Convertible. It is an absolutely awesome car. It runs and drives great. SS 454. It's got a fantastic little motor. She starts well and she runs well and it's solid. Full-size spare, and of course the backing's coming off of that, but it's solid all the way around. Really nice jams all the way around the car, and the paint under the trunk lid is fantastic. Real nice chrome, nice reflection, and I mean mirror finish all the way around. Nice top boot, really nice interior. Bucket seats, console, tacking gauges. It has vintage AC and a Kenwood stereo. And again, really nice jams all the way around it. Runs great. Has power disc brakes. Firewall is super clean and painted glossy red like a car. It was all taken apart and done. Looks amazing. It has electric fans. Nice cold AC. Hoses are run back in underneath, just nicely done. Nicely done all the way around. Power top goes up easy. Top is brand new, done same time as the paint and the interior, all of that. And it latches really nicely. It's a glass back glass. Caleb here is my son-in-law. Married my only daughter. They work here at the business with us. As I showed you before, the boot works really well on it and goes in good. Nice back seat, front seats, dash, the whole 9 yards. Absolutely beautiful car. Check us out at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a brand new, beautiful 2024 and have a blessed day.